Hi everybody, and welcome back to As the Rooster Crows. I wanted to show you guys that we found some rhubarb plants on Marketplace, and Joe went and picked them up and planted them. Look how huge they are. I know they're all wilty, we've got to cut them all back, but they're humongous plants. So we'll be making rhubarb everything probably next year. I also wanted to show you guys the strawberry plants. That's 150 strawberry plants that Joe planted. They're already coming up really nice. Nice healthy plants. And we ordered these online. This row we have raspberries and blackberries. The lady that Joe got the raspberry plants from also gave him a horseradish plant and a couple of blackberry plants. And after we've looked, we have blackberry plants everywhere out here. What you see, Chunky? We bought a bunch of fruit trees, and Joe made these cages around them, but I wanted to show this one's blooming. I think that they're related to goats. They love to eat grass. A little garden update. So this is the zucchini and squash row. It looks pretty good. Hey, Moo. Chunky still has an infatuation with Moo. Some of the peppers. One of our subscribers contacted me last night and said, "Oh, it's gonna freeze. There's a freeze warning." So I had to run out here and cover everything up with tarps. And then we're going to get more of it tonight. So we're definitely going to have to cover again tonight. So this is very new to me. It is so hot in Louisiana right now. I can't even imagine being there. These guys look a little sad. I don't know why, but they're popping out flowers, so everything must be a-okay with them. In these two bales, I had broccoli and cauliflower. The broccoli are closer to the camera, and the cauliflower are just little twigs up there because I came out last night and Earless was having a snack. So the fence is going up this weekend though, but the beans are sprouting really good. Having that tarp on them last night, they loved that. These are all raspberry patches. There's several out here. I'm gonna be a cannon fool this year. Cucumbers look pretty good too. Chunky! Come here, Moo Moo. More peppers and what is that? eggplant. Those need to be watered. They're looking pretty wilty. And tomatoes. I'm going to give everything a little squirt of water, and then we're going to cover everything up. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to share, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.